It's been 3 days and this prophet has yet to show himself. I hope I'm not making a huge mistake by trusting you.
War Chief, the clans are assembling as you ordered, but it will take them some time to reach us.
Then we must prepare this camp immediately. I want my warriors to have food and proper lodgings when they arrive.
Yes, War Chief.
Warrior, has there been any word from Grom Hellscream? He and the Warsong clan were supposed to have been here by now.
No, War Chief. We haven't heard from Hellscream in some time.
Damn it, Grom. Where the hell are you?
Something need doing?
The blinking button at the top of the screen indicates that your quest journal has been updated. To find out more about your objectives, click on the quest button.
I am the War Chief.
Once a peon has been ordered to harvest gold, he will automatically travel back and forth between the gold mine and your closest Great Hall. Here are a few additional peons to increase the rate of gold collection.
Yes.
The amount of gold that you currently possess is displayed in the upper right portion of your screen. As peons return to your Great Hall with gold, your gold stockpile increases. Training a unit takes time. When your Great Hall is selected, you can see a progress indicator in the bottom middle portion of your screen.
Ready to work.
In order to support a larger population, additional orc burrows will have to be constructed. Burrows provide the food that allows you to train more troops. To construct a burrow, select one of your peons. You have just placed a rally point for your structure. Whenever a unit finishes training from this building, he will automatically travel to the rally point's location. To place a rally point, select one of your unit-producing structures and right-click on the ground where you want the rally point to appear.
What do you want?
Now, click on the Build Structure button in the command prompt.
The spirits are restless.
In order to produce additional buildings, you must gather more lumber from the nearby forests. To harvest lumber, select a peon and right-click on a nearby tree.
Yes. We need more lumber. Ready to work. I can do that. Ready to work.
Now that your peon has been assigned to gather lumber, he will automatically travel back and forth between the forest and your closest Great Hall.
Yes. Can't build them. Ready to work.
Lokrigar, no god.
Ready to work. Something need doing? I can do that.
I am the War Chief. For honor.
Work complete. We need more lumber.
Let's get on with it. Yes. am the Warcraft. Let's get on with it. Your time has come. Dabu.
Research complete. Work complete. Something need doing? Happy to.
Continue producing grunts until you reach your quest requirement.
Let's get on with it. Yes. For honor. Yes.
Lok Narosh! None will survive life for the Horde.
Dabu. For honor. Dabu.
Your time has come.
For honor. Yes. Dabu. Yes. Dabu. For honor.
Research complete.
Dabu. Yes.
Work complete.
Lokrigan, Okan. For honor.
For Doomhammer! Your time has come. Lok Narosh!
For honor. Dabu.
For Doomhammer! I can do that. Yes.
Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless.
My life. Lok Narosh!
For honor. Dabu. I am the War Chief. For honor. Yes.
What do you want? Can't build the happy too.
The spirits are restless. For honor. Dabu. For honor. Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless.
Work complete.
Dabu.
Yes?